Today is a quick project around some shop maintenance. I've got a liquid level indicator that's leaky on my air compressor. And I've got the part, I'm going to swap it out, but as I do that, I'm going to talk a little bit about how I stay organized and what made this nice and simple. So I like to try and keep my shop as organized as possible, and on the shelf up above here, I keep all of my user manuals and binders. So major tools and appliances get their own user manual, like my Kubota BX manual here, since there is a lot of it. In things like tools or items in the basement, gets their own folder. And that's what makes this air compressor project so simple, is I need to find that part, so I can just come here, quickly find the user manual, the parts breakdown, and get that ordered. So it really only took a couple of seconds to find it and identify it, which very conveniently has a parts breakdown, which lists the replacement part that I needed. Nowadays, you're going to find a lot of manuals online, so you might find this redundant or excessive, but outside of keeping these manuals, I find it particularly helpful for things like my tractor maintenance. So in it, I track all of my maintenance schedules and if I've addressed product recalls that I needed to have done. Or maybe I can't remember exactly what model Delta faucet I have and I need a replacement cartridge for it. So I can find very specific model number and part number information on basically everything in my house stored in one location.
Swapping the sight gauge was nice and quick. Unthread the old one, thread in the new one, and since the oil was cold, I barely lost any and only had to just top it off.
So guys, a nice, quick, simple project. Because I had the manual, I knew exactly what lubricant I needed and that it wasn't ready for a change, so I just had to top it up a tiny bit. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what kind of shop organization and maintenance tips you guys have. I find that staying ahead of this kind of stuff is a great way to make tools last. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.